Hey guys, Rick from Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video we're gonna dive into the new Tiesto style, like a track as coffee and the business.
Let's get down to business.
So it's a more deep house kind of vibe, with a really dark, dull vocal, a typical deep house bass, and the typical deep house drums. So let's straight dive into the vocal. So now let's dive into the vocal. First check out the Tiesto vocal.
Let's get down to business.
So we need a really dull vocal. I came across this one.
Coming up on me, boy, got me excited. Coming up on me, boy, got me excited. Coming up on me, boy, got me excited. Coming up on me, boy, got me excited.
So first fit it to the tempo and pitch it down a few semitones to give it more of a deep house vibe. Sounding like this.
Coming up on me, boy, got me excited. Coming up on me, boy, got me excited.
Now let's add effects. So first the format pitching, compression, a low cut, stereo imaging, reverb and delay.
Coming up on me, boy, got me excited. Coming up on me, boy, got me excited.
Now we're gonna write a chorus under the vocal. We'll be using this preset from the new preset pack, Sounds of 2020. Now let's write a chord. We're working in A minor.
Coming up on me, boy, got me excited. 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 Coming up on me, boy,
And make a little variation in the second part.
got me excited. Coming up on me, boy, got me excited.
Sounding like this.
Coming up on me, boy, got me excited. Coming up on me, boy, got me excited. Coming up on me, boy, got me excited. Coming up on me, boy, got me excited.
Now we're gonna work on the main part of the drop, the bass. We'll be using this preset. Copy over the main progression and let's add a rhythm to it. This will be the rhythm. Let's add this rhythm for the other notes as well and mix the bass sound with distortion, EQing, make a submono and sidechain. Together with other sounds, it sounds like this. Now we're gonna fill it up with a few more layers, starting with its pad sounds. Copy over the root notes of the chords. Now let's turn it into chords, +3 and 7 semitones, sounding like this. I also added a small plug fill. The preset sounds like this. I also added FX and ambience to fill up the track. Now let's work on the drums. We'll be using these elements. All together sounding like this. And that's it for the Tiesto style drops. So if you like the video, please leave a like to see more and the subscribe button. And here's the final result.